Dalawa ang amount na naka-indicate diyan. Bakit dalawa ang amount? Paki-explain.
Ito po ba yung sa number 1 na yung 69,587 at yung sa
In number 1, in item number 1, if you can check your document on the screen, item number 1 sa notice of disallowance, dalawa ang amount na naka-state. Isa, 69,587,000 at yung isa ay 69,787,000. Ito ba ay typo, discrepancy? Bakit may hindi pareho itong amount?
ito po ay isang typographical error po. Ang tamang amount po is 69,787,000.
Okay. At ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng disallowed?
Ang notice of ang disallowed po is sa level ni ICFO po kasi pag issue kami ng notice of disallowance, meron na po silang, we demand them to ibalik po yung pondo. Pero meron pong remedy, which is yung ginawa nila, nag-file sila ng petition for review po sa commission proper.
At ano naman ang nangyari sa petition for review na yan?
Ayun nga po, nagkaroon ng COA decision na inaffirm po nila yung notice of disallowance.
Pagkatapos na inaffirm yung notice of disallowance ng commission, ano ang ginawa? If at all?
Noong May 2026, meron po silang final na motion for reconsideration.
So nag-file ng motion for reconsideration ang Office of the Vice President. Anong nangyari sa motion for reconsideration na final? Tungkol dito sa decision na ibalik ang 73 million na yan. Ano ang status?
Wala pa pong naging decision ang commission proper po. Pending resolution po. Wala pa pong naging decision ang commission proper po. Pending resolution po.
Your Honor, I object!
And why is that, Mr. Reed?
Now, Madam Witness, what is the current status of the evaluation of the response? You said earlier na dahil sa action taken by the COA ICFAO, nag-respond ang DepEd. What is the status of that response?
Ini-evaluate pa po
For the
natin.
third quarter, September 30, July 12 to September 30, 2023, if you know.
This is until under evaluation and review pa po.